I'll wait. Just
This
wanted to
conference will now be recorded.
I just wanted to open Google and search for VMware Workstation, and on another tab for Linux Kali. If you can see my screen, I hope you can see my screen.
So to go open to Google account.
No, just go like just Google search.
Oh, damn. Come on. Oh, just laptop's killing me sometimes. Okay. What do you want me to type?
Yeah, type VMware Workstation. So if you can see my tab, it's VMware VMware Workstation.
Linux Kali or VMware?
Yeah, VMware Workstation. So if you
Okay,
click
okay,
on,
okay, okay. Yeah, I saw your screen. VMware. Okay, okay. VMware. VMware workstation.
right,
Okay.
and if you
Me,
click on the,
I can share your screen if you want to.
sorry,
I said also I can share my screen if you want to, but I can follow your instruction. Both, either way is fine.
no, no. So if at any point in time you have any problem, then let me know. Then we can see your screen as well.
Okay, all right, okay, all right.
Yeah. So when we click on the first link, you get a new pop-up that says download VMware, and then since we are using Windows, we can go to VMware Workstation 15.0.3 for Windows, and there it has the option of go to downloads, which will again open another link and send you to the exact download page, and you can download a 511 MB file from here. I'll still paste the link for.
So it's kind of cutting out. Your voice is kind of cutting out. So I click on the first link, and then what is next?
Yeah, so when you click on go to downloads, there another page will open that says go to downloads. If
Okay.
you look at, and if you click over
Yes,
it,
there's page over here that just said professor.
yeah, right. So you just download that.
I can, Okay, let me see. Okay, I click on download, and then which one do I have to select? Let me see as
Right.
well, actually.
So there's just
Uh,
one option that says download now. Or if you're stuck here, then you have to go for Windows Workstation for Windows because you're using a Windows machine, right?
so I click. You say the download. I click on download. The first one.
Yeah,
This no, yeah.
yeah. So if you have any problem, I have sent you the link for the download, or you can share your screen. I can help you with that.
Okay, let me just share my. I think you have to do that because I'm not the organizer. Let me see if I have this option to share. I think you have to send me the request.
All right. So 1 second. Yeah, I guess now you can.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, right. So scroll up.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Okay. I go here on download. That's the one I click, and then to the I believe, let me see. And then to the right. Okay, it's gonna be to your left. There's a download button. There's download somewhere here. You see download now. Do you want me to click on it? There's
Yeah.
upgrade, and then there's the.
Yeah, so click on the tab where you can see try workstation Pro 15 Pro. The first option you see try workstation 15 Pro.
This one.
Yes, 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 exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So since
So
you're using Windows laptop, you have to go for Windows, the option on the left. Yeah.
this one.
Yes, yes, yes.
But I thought you say on the demo we have to go to the Linux machine because also I have a Linux machine, I believe, in this computer.
Okay. Right, but I assume this should be fine. So by the time it downloads, go to Google and search for Linux Kali.
Linux what?
Linux
Kali.
LIN, yeah, KALI.
Okay, Kali.
Yeah, and
Go to
just click on.
download this one.
Yeah. Anything is fine.
Huh?
Yeah. Yes, that one.
This one, the first one.
Yeah, the first one.
Okay.
And so as you scroll down, further down. Yeah, right. So